Rouge planet with auroras. The majestic northern and southern lights have mystified humans for millennia. During the long dark nights of winter, when the space weather is right, green and purple clouds can blanket polar skies from horizon to horizon. The glowing lights dance and move in curtains and arcs, building up to a crescendo of color before they disappear. Earth's aurorae aren't alone in our solar system either. Telescope observations and visiting spacecraft have found evidence for aurorae on Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Venus, and even exoplanets. Aurora on Rouge planet. In 2018, astronomers discovered a huge gas giant planet some 20 light years away dubbed some J01365663 plus 0933473 with a mass 13 times greater than Jupiter. It roams our galaxy without a home star, making it a so-called rouge planet. These worlds either formed without stars or were flung from their solar systems. A rouge planet also seems to have a magnetic field million times stronger than Earth's, with aurorae that may put our northern lights to shame. According to a 2018 study in the Astrophysical Journal, its aurorae happened via an entirely different process than anything in our solar system. Without a star to bombard it with charged particles, rouge planet must have another source. That could mean this rouge planet isn't wandering the galaxy completely alone. Like Jupiter, it may have a volcanically active moon feeding its charged particles. Alternatively, like so many different aurorae mechanisms astronomers have discovered over the years, rouge planet may also hold some surprises. But planets with auroras are not too strange. Even in Earth's northern hemisphere, auroras are seen, and there are more than 20,000 free-floating planets like rouge in the universe. Okay, let us see about the dark matter in galaxies. Dark matter galaxy. Like humans, galaxies can't stand to be alone. Nudged by gravity, galaxies tend to group, and some even end up in the universe equivalent of bustling megacities. Clusters of up to 1,000 galaxies, collectively outweighing our sun a million billion times over. But for all the stars glimmering in these clusters, only a fraction of the entire structure's mass is visible. As far as scientists can tell, a cluster's real heft lies within a material that can't be seen, an invisible mysterious substance called dark matter. A vast spherical halo of dark matter undergirds the whole cluster of galaxies. Each galaxy is embedded within its dark matter. In a study of how 11 gigantic clusters of galaxies bend the light passing through them as seen from Earth, the study finds that these clusters harbor more than 10 times as many dense pockets of dark matter as predicted by supercomputer models. Dark matter is present in 85% of our galaxy and balance is visible material. Dark matter has mass and can create gravitational fields, but it doesn't react with itself, emit light, or readily interact with normal matter other than through gravity. Massive objects such as galaxies or galaxy clusters warp space-time so much that the distortions bend any light that passes through. Astronomers can see this effect called gravitational lensing. When an object is especially massive and dense, the gravitational lens creates an even split light apart. From our vantage point, this anomaly looks like the object is encircled by multiple images of the same background light source. Dark matter galaxies sound fascinating, right? But it's not exotic anymore. There are 6 of them in the universe. Let's see some other unusual things in our solar system, like the shape of Saturn's moon.
Fascinated hearing about these exotic things? Hang on, there are more exotic things coming your way. Make sure you like the video and press the subscribe button to watch more amazing videos.